Yahoo! Prof here, and we have a big one for you today. Lots and lots of Pokemon polls coming up after this video. You want to check this one out though. Reason being is it is my Meowth. I'm flipping the camera over. I do apologize. There we go. Meowth VMAX. This is a retail properly sealed one. We are going to open this one up, see what's in here. And then what comes right after that is a big old stack of them over there. So the video following this is going to be a nice big stack of them from Amazon warehouse that are returns. And I think a whole bunch of them are legit, which is good because there should be an X and Y pack in here. X and Y Evolutions pack in here, which will basically alone justify the cost of the box. But this is my personal one that is not dented, not broken, not returned, that we're going to open up first just to get an idea of what's actually in this thing. So let's get you over the tripod. Alright, so here it is. This is the Meowth VMAX Special Collection. Dun dun dun! This is one I've been looking forward to. I already remembered to take my pictures of the box. Look at how hollow that is. I'm pumped because it's Meowth. I'm also pumped because it has XY Evolutions in there. And, yeah, let's hope we pull something good because that's not really been the case the last couple nights. And even earlier tonight. So, and remember, this guy we're doing, this is my actual one, and then I happened upon really good deals on a bunch of different Amazon warehouse ones, and if you caught the video where those came in, there's a whole box of them that felt sticky and smelled like soap. So I'm thinking that's probably perfectly fine. It just got damaged in the Amazon warehouse by like soap leaking on it, which I have had happen both when I worked at Home Depot, and I believe also when I worked at Walmart, like way back in the day. That was many moons ago. So what we're gonna do then, flip this bad boy over, get out our slicey boy, Tuck XL from Tactical Keychains. Bam. Those skills with a Z. Right? So in here we have the Meowth VMAX, Meowth V, and Meowth VMAX. These are both held in by stuff in the back, so there's highly likely these are not going to be bent. And I'm going to want to put those in labeled shields right away. So it's 1, 2. And then what we have is we have a giant. Oh, there's actually more. I thought there were only 4 packs in here. There are 5. And it's opened. This is the one that isn't even a return. Legitimately? Well, fuck me, guys. Look, Unified Minds, Cosmic Eclipse, Guardians Rising, Cosmic Eclipse, XY Evolutions, all good shit there. And this is the one that was freaking sealed. Somebody re-glued it then. Well, this is going back. RIP. Well, this short video, yeah, that's all it is. We're done. Do you want to at least see what they repacked it with? Here's Unified Minds. Like, just completely ripped open on the bottom. This was sold as a brand new one. I'll figure out... I don't know if this was on Amazon. Alright. So, we have... in Unified Minds. I don't know this pack rail. Wimpod. Slackoth. Saladit. Bone Sweet. Saladit. Drapion. And Keldeo GX. I'm surprised there'd be a GX in a repack. Jinx. Dragonair. And Delmise. Let's see if another pack has... Let's check one I'm familiar with. X and Y Evolutions back here. Yeah, open on the bottom. Usually sketchy people always open them on the bottom. White one for X and Y that for sure should be dual hollows. Nidoran, Ponyta, Doduo, Pikachu, Staryu, Sandshrew, Ninetales. So it is. It has the dual hollows in there. That's a pretty... I would definitely actually have that one. Oh, pretty weak. Flying Pikachu. Haunter. The heck? I think that was a cat. So, I'm very confused. Because for a repack so far, I mean, it is definitely a repack. It's ripped open. Straight up. Ripped open. Okay. But let's check. There wasn't a card on that one. Here. This is not stock. See, somebody definitely opened that right up. Coughing. Nosepass. Snorunt. Rockruff. Deerling. Dusk Noir. And Guzma and Hala. Tropius. Togedemaru. Absol. So, like, that's... I don't know, maybe that's not a very good hollow, but that seems pretty good, if you ask me. This is the one we already opened. Goes on that one. Here's another Cosmic Eclipse. Ripped open on the bottom. Like, that's definitely cards being put back in there. Another white one. I don't know if Cosmic Eclipse is dual hollows because of the white card or not. So we got a Alolan Ninetales and a hollow Guzzlord. I swear this repack has better frickin' stuff than my actual pulls. Here's the Sun and Moon Guardians Rising, also dual hollow, if that's how this pack works. Castiform, Gligar, Patrat, Snorunt, Murkrow, Swellow reverse hollow. That's a rare and a hollow, and then we have Absol hollow. And it's not the most amazing, but the fact that they're all reverse hollows, and like, why would you repack it that way? I am very confused. Also, they definitely glued it because there was not any tape on the box. I had to cut it open. I don't rip the edge normally. Just cut it. That's why. You know, but that's super weird, guys. That's the weirdest repack I have seen. One that still includes everything. Well, this video was not what I was expecting, so hopefully one of those guys over there actually has what it says it does. And there's like, see, there's one right here, one in there. So, yeah. This one's going back because it's ripped open. That sucks. Well, definitely subscribe, hit notify, so you see the next video going live, where I raise this camera up a bit and we just crack through them to see if they are legit. I'll probably put them off to the side and we'll do a proper unboxing on it. But yeah, that was a downer. That killed my flow. So rip. Well, hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video where we hopefully now unbox a legitimate box. That, by the way, that didn't have Amazon warehouse return on it anywhere. I will have to see. That might not even come from Amazon. Because I've also gotten these from Walmart and a bunch of other places. So, yeah. And it's also super weirdly repacked. Like, that's, like, good. I mean, they're probably not amazing things, but, like, most times I'll see them repack with a, single reverse hollow, or like not even bother, just pull the cards up. I don't know. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think. And you don't get any of these code cards because I gotta send it back. This was rough, but hey, if this legit comes with Cosmic Eclipse, Guardians Rising, Unified Minds, and an XY Evolution, this is my pack. I will try and get more of these for sure. And Meowth's a bro, man. Look at him. Meowth is a bro. Or gal. I don't know. Depends on which gender you get there. You know? But that was shocking. And that one, because I thought it was legit, is well out of return. I guess I might have to start opening everything up sooner. Even the stuff I think is factory sealed. That came brand new. Rip. Hope more of my stuff isn't like this. Fuck. That's a real downer. This Blastoise on the Cosmic Eclipse pack, though, is pretty BA. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one. And you enjoyed my actual, literal surprise here. I'm floored. See ya.